In this video I'm going to show you how to change a bicycle cassette. The cassette is a collection of two rings attached to the rear axle hub of a bike which facilitate different gear ratios. Over a period of time, the teeth on the cogs can become worn and lead to the chain slipping. In order to do the job we need a couple of tools. The first is a chain whip to hold the cassette in position while the locking nut is removed. We're going to be using the one we made in our video, Easy DIY Chain Whip, made with the help of our friend General Patton.
Please like and subscribe.
The other item we need is a lock ring removal tool. They come in different shapes and sizes and can be driven in a variety of ways. They are made with splines which directly fit into the cassette's locking ring. Now the final essential, a quick brew in a DIY Dave mug. Links in the description below. Before we go any further, the quick release skewer needs to be removed, if you're using a ring nut removal tool with a guide rod, as I am. Now the fun part, getting to use a tool you made yourself. Using the right tools, the lock nut comes undone easily. This is then fully undone to release the cassette. Before we attach the new cassette, we're going to clean off all the dirt and grime from the hub using brake cleaner. With all the preparation work done, we can think about installing the new cassette. I've chosen one with 11 teeth on the smallest ring and 32 teeth on the largest. For best practice, I'm now going to apply some grease to the mating surfaces. The new cassette is now ready for installation on the splines of the hub. Not all the splines are the same size. I've marked the thin one with chalk so you can see the difference. This now marries up with the thin groove of the new cassette. Time to tighten the new lock ring onto the hub. Shimano have made a very handy plastic retaining clip to hold this in position. While securing the lock ring sensibly tight is adequate for most DIY scenarios, best practice dictates that we apply a final torque of 40 Newton meters. There we have it, skewer back in and job's a good 'un. Please like and subscribe so we can grow this channel. Or, as General Patton would put it,
Please like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.